What's up, man? Did y'all know Thailand got McDonald's? I didn't know either till one of y'all commented and told me I should go try it out. So today, we are going to McDonald's to try their menu, and let's go see if they motherfucking ice cream machine work. We in Bangkok, Thailand, at McDonald's. Let's go check out the menu. What should I do?
I'm trying to get you private. I take no whole people go cool and I get it. Your decision, I respect it. Not quarter, I do my line. Can we sit down and talk about it? Move like Fraser in these streets, got it dark. And I'm with my Muhammad Ali, got it bar. I'm trying to get the bag, it's so ass, they call me. I like to.
What y'all know about McDonald's having curly fries? They decent, y'all. These taste like rallies off Goodfellas. These motherfuckers, they good, but they just some basic curly fries. I give them a 6 out of 10 because they still are fresh. They got cheese sauce. Y'all don't know about that. They don't got that in America. It look like honey mustard, how yellow it is. I rated it a 6 out of 10. It's fresh. That's one thing I can say. Chicken, man. Who knew McDonald's had chicken? And look how big it is. That's a drumstick if I ever seen one. We're gonna get real acquainted. All right, McDonald's. Y'all do what y'all supposed to do. What y'all know about fried chicken, man? That motherfucker like a turkey leg. Just too spicy. I got some original too. Let's try some of that original because I know it got more crunch. Real tender, real good season, I ain't gonna lie. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Okay, y'all, this is called the pepper chicken burger. See what it's hitting for. Their version of a McChicken. Let's open her up. It's fire. It's basically a McChicken. Fresh though. You know, it ain't been sitting. You can tell they just made this shit. 10 out of 10, highly recommend on bro. You can't go to McDonald's without getting the OG fries. Let's see what they hitting like. These could have been a little better, but they still good. Comment where you think I should go next. Like and subscribe, man. And it's like a pineapple pie, y'all, so let's see. It's crunchy on the outside, some good pineapple on the inside. The ice cream real deal, man. 10 out of 10. I'm really liking it. Listen to that crunch. It hit for real, bro. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend on bro. It tastes like you can really tell they put their heart and soul into this food, you know? It ain't like America, they slopping your shit together. It's good, though. Fresh ice cream, like, tastes like gelato. They say these is one of the best desserts from McDonald's, man. Somebody told me it tastes like Krispy Kreme. It's real fresh. I waited like 5 minutes, so I know they just cooked this one. With this cream sauce on there, can't beat it. Comment where y'all want me to go next. They got KFC, they got Taco Bell, they got Burger King, they got a lot of places that you wouldn't know would be in Thailand.
Take it out for more.